A very good morning, dear students. So as you know that we have already started our chapter number 1, and today we are going to discuss our topic, that is fund based accounting. See, I have already told you that fund based accounting based on the amount that is set aside for specific purpose, means whenever we receive funds for specific purpose, right? So for that there is a special treatment that is called fund based accounting, means how we have to treat that funds which we have to use for that specific purpose only, and where we have to transfer the amount whether in the balance sheet or in income or expenditure amount. So that we are going to discuss today. So firstly, you all know that funds क्या है, वो पैसा है जो कि specific purpose के लिए we have just set aside, right? Now see, this is very easy, बहुत आसान है इसको कैलकुलेट करना. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, आप सबको पता है, मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है, that the money which we have to utilize, for which we have received funds, means for specific purpose, वो सारा का सारा पैसा we have to show in the balance sheet, that is a capital receipt, right? Now what is the balance to be transferred in the balance sheet? Let's see. See, simply what you have to do, जितना हम लोग फंड रिसीव करेंगे फॉर दैट स्पेसिफिक पर्पस, उसके बदले में और जितना फंड हम लोग रिसीव करेंगे दैट वी विल ऐड इन दैट फंड, राइट? लेस कर देंगे बेटा जितना हम लोगों ने उसका खर्चा कर दिया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको बताती हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज मैंने बिल्डिंग फंड रिसीव करा था 10 लाख का, राइट? उसमें से 6 लाख रुपीस मैंने ऑलरेडी खर्च कर दिए. देन द बैलेंस विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड 4 लाख इन द बैलेंस शीट एज स्पेसिफिक, मीन्स 4 लाख रुपए अभी भी बचे हैं जो मैंने अपनी बिल्डिंग के लिए स्पेंड करने हैं, right? So for that, in order to make it more clear, I have just written one example for you. See, what is the example? In the example, prize fund amount already given, means opening balance is already given in the question, that is 1 lakh. More donation we have received for this fund, that is 10,000. Moreover, we have invested the amount if somewhere, then we are also receiving interest on that deposit, and the expenses that we have made, right, that is 7,000. Now see what I have written here. What you have to do, जितना total पैसा fund का वो, plus जितना और पैसा आप लोगों ने receive करा है, less जो expenses हैं, right? Now you have to follow the same format. Now see, what is the amount opening balance of prize fund? That is 1 lakh, then written 1 lakh. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to add donation received, that is 10,000, right? Plus we have received interest, that is 8,000. It means 1,18,000 total amount we are having from prize fund, right? Here I have received interest. Right? Now what we have to do, I have just added the income from the fund, less expenses. Now what are the expenses? It's rupees 7,000. So what we will do here, we will here less expenses incurred, that is 7,000. 7,000 I'm writing in bracket because I'm deducting it. It is 1,11,000. So this is the amount which is to be transferred to liability side of balance sheet. So transfer to liability side of balance sheet, right? Balance sheet, we all know that. What is balance sheet? It's balance sheet, two sides are there. This side is called liability side and this is asset. Here we have to transfer the balance amount. Even you can show the whole treatment here also. Here you can write here prize fund in the inner column, right? Plus donation received, plus interest received, less expenses. Then the total amount, that is 1,11,000, that we have to show in the outer column, means main column, that is amount column in the balance sheet. Now the question arises. Now see, we are having a favorable balance that we have transferred in the liability side of the balance sheet. Now suppose the amount that we suppose we have just received a building fund. For example, another example. Now suppose we have received building fund, or we are having building fund that is 10 lakh, right? But expenses that we have already made is 11 lakh. इट मीन्स 1 लाख इज इन नेगेटिव फॉर्म, मतलब हमने 1 लाख रुपए क्या है ज़्यादा स्पेंड कर दिए हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ दिस 1 लाख? प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. अब आपको बैलेंस शीट में यहाँ पे क्या शो करना है कि टोटल प्राइस फंड 10 लाख, एक्सपेंसेस 10 लाख, बिकॉज दैट excess amount that is of 1 lakh that will be transferred to debit side of income and expenditure account. You're understanding? Like two ways are there. अगर तो हमारे पास पॉजिटिव बैलेंस है, that will be transferred to the liability side of balance sheet. But if we are having a negative balance, means खर्चे excess में हो गया है, then what we have to do? We will just write down the 10,000 amount in the liability side of balance sheet, and the balance which is in excess उसको हम लोग expense मानेंगे. This is our expense, and this expense will be transferred to debit side of income and expenditure account. Okay, so this is how you have to record the final amount in the balance sheet, because fund based accounting is based on specific funds, and specific funds are of capital receipts, and all the receipts, capital receipts, are to be transferred in the balance sheet, right? So this is how we have to record the balance. Now you can try all the questions in your book of those are related to this particular topic, and you can send me your queries. Thank you so much.